Hello everyone, welcome to day 44 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this open heart stitch. It's again done in 2 rows and in a multiple of foundation chain of 6. So here I have 24 chains and then I'm going to add on my heart color. You can choose any color that you want. I think a pink heart would also look very pretty with the stitch. And this is a very lazy pattern so that it can be used as a scarf or for a afghan or for anything. That is whichever texture that you want to be a little flowy, or if you want a drape for your stitch, this is something that you should go for. So I have done 24 chains and I'm just changing my colors here, making 3 chains. This is going to be the first double crochet. Okay, so I did this stitch with 5 double crochet stitches. Yes, it does look like a heart, but then I'm going to try to create a dip here while we are making this. Okay, so into the first chain here, we are going to do 2 more double crochet stitches. This is going to be half of the scallop. Okay, don't worry about this big hole that's happening here. That's because the foundation chain, it's coming off. You can just pull it back right into place. Okay, so now we have to skip 5. I'm going to leave my yarn tail here. I'm just carrying the red one. Okay, so I'm going to skip 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and into the 6th one I'm going to make 5 double crochets. So instead of 5 double crochets, I'm making 2 double crochets and 1 half double crochet, and again 2 double crochets. Okay, so in total I'm still maintaining 5 stitches, but as you can see I'm creating a slight dip here. This will be more prominent in the next row. Again skip 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Into the 6th one do the same thing. You're going to create 5 stitches, that is 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 2 more double crochets. You can do this with triple crochet and a double crochet in the middle as well, like how big or small you want the hearts to be. Again I'm going to skip 5 and into the 6th one again we are ending with half the stitch, that is just with 3 double crochets. Okay, so this, it's going to look something like this. Now chain 1, okay, so you can just come back like this, but then just to save hiding yarn tails, I'm just keeping this side as my red side and this side as my white side. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this yarn right here. I'm going to come and pick up my white yarn, which is here, pulling it up from the first double crochet that I made. Okay, now I'm going to create a V stitch. So I'm going to chain 3 to start with, and here in the middle stitch, that is we have skipped 5, into the third chain we are going to create a V stitch. Okay, so you can see that I'm crocheting over the red part right here. Okay, I'm just crocheting over the red part right here, making the V stitch. You can see that, right? Chain 2 and another V stitch right here. Okay, now again chain 2, into the half double crochet we are going to create 1 single crochet. Okay, and now again chain 2, you are going to create the V stitch at the middle stitch here, that is the third chain at the bottom. Again chain 2, make a V stitch, and then a single crochet on top of the half double crochet. Sorry, I have to chain 2 before that. A single crochet on top of the half double crochet. Okay, and then again a V stitch, then again chain 2. Okay, I missed a V stitch, sorry, a chain 2 here. Make sure to chain 2 right after every stitch, otherwise you're going to, the number of stitches will reduce. Okay, again chain 2, create a V stitch, okay, okay. Now we are at the red part, so now again you have to chain 2 and make 1 double crochet, and make 1 single crochet right here. Okay, I'm going to leave the white part here and start off with the red stitch. Okay, so I'm not turning the work, so all my stitches are going to be at the front. You can do this by cutting off. If you find this method difficult, you can just cut off the edge and work the rows in reverse. Okay, so drop the white, pick up the red, and again the red starts off with half a corner, half the heart, and now into the V stitch we're going to create the hearts. And just like that you have to continue the stitch till the height that you want. Okay, and again the next row, it's going to be a row of V stitches, and you can continue this to any length that you want. and you're going to end up something like a little bit different like this. If you like this effect better, you just have to change the half double crochet to double crochet. That's it. So do try out these both the patterns, and I'll meet you back tomorrow with yet another crochet stitch. Thank you.